Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Basically, we are going to learn various type of the stair used in a building one by one. So let's start. First of all, stair are the step arranged in a series for the purpose of moving from one floor to the another floor. Depend on the various arrangement of these steps, stair can be classified into various type like straight stair, dog-legged stair, open navel stair, geometrical stair, circular stair, spiral stair, quarter turn stair, and bifurcated stair. Now let's understand every type of the stair in detail. In straight stair, all the steps are arranged continuously along in a one direction. One flight may be split into two or more than two flights by interposing a landing. This stair can be used where narrow and long space is available for the staircase, such as entrance and porch. In case of a dog-legged stair, it consists of a two straight flights of the step with direct turn between them. It is very useful where the total width of the staircase is just twice the width of the steps. Open navel stair consists of a two or more flights arranging in such a way that there is an opening or well in between the forward and the backward flight. When all these steps are difficult to arrange in a two flights, a short third flight of a 3 to 6 steps may be provided along the direction perpendicular to the first flight, which form opening in between the forward and the backward flight. Open well stair is mostly adopted in a lift passage. Geometrical stair is another type of the open navel stair, where the open well between the forward and the backward flight is curved. This stair may contain a different geometrical shapes. Here, the change in the direction achieved by using windows. In circular stair, all the steps radiate from a navel or a well hole in the form of a windows. The circular stair is adopted at the back side of the building to access its various floors. Spiral stair is very similar to the circular stair. It consists of individual steps or treads connecting to a central column. The overall diameter of the stair may range from 1 to 2.5 meter. Quarter turn stair consists of two flights in which the forward flight is turned 90 degrees to the backward flights from a level landing. Bifurcated stairs are provided in a modern public buildings as well as in a residential buildings. In this type, the flights are arranged in such a way that there is a wide flight at the start, which is subdivided into a narrow flight. The narrow flights start from either side of the mid landings. Thank you for watching.